Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your battery drain problem in your Tecno Pop 9 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to download and install these files by Google. From here, you have to clear your photos, videos, documents, audio, images, apps that are unwanted and unused, that are waste only. You have to delete it. It will clear the storage and it will help to not much drain the battery life. Second, you have to click on settings, then you have to go to app management. Here it is app list, then you have to click on any app, then you have to click on mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn off background data of all the apps. It will not drain battery in the background. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.